Hi, my name is Ansel Tempral. I'm one of the founding members and principals of Legassi Manufacturing and Distribution Limited. We're a new company, just a couple years old, and we're in the production of biodegradable, top quality paper bags for consumer use and for primarily the food industry, fast food and pharmaceuticals. Legassi has been in operation since May of 2019. We started out first with our 1 pound size bag with our pot devin machine, which is our first machine. But we soon realized that in order for us to have good market penetration, a single size bag wouldn't be sufficient for us. So we decided to look around for additional machinery. We were able to find a couple machines here on Ireland, fortunately. And then we realized that wasn't enough. So we decided to approach the EXIM bank in order to obtain that capacity. So we went overseas and purchased additional machinery. So now in 2021, we're not only able to make a single 1 pound size bag, we're able to make anything from a 1 pound size bag through a 6 pound, through a 12, and eventually a 16 pound bags. So we have moved significantly. We chose EXIM because EXIM shared a similar corporate philosophy as ourselves, in that their success depends on the success of their customers. And I found that particularly interesting and appealing. So when we thought of getting financing, I said, you know what, let me go to EXIM. So I walked in there with my bold self and sat down and spoke to one Mrs. Edwards, who was very, very accommodating as a company that was fairly new, and EXIM took a chance on us. So we were very excited by that. And I think that has moved our progression as a business significantly had we not been able to get that financing to leverage ourselves from EXIM. So for us, it was a no-brainer. So we went to EXIM and they allowed us to be able to get additional machinery and other peripheral factory equipment like compressors and so on to compress our bag that we needed to not just make the bag, but to ensure that the packaging and how we deliver to market was appropriate and represented Legassi as a brand. Once we saw the onset of the pandemic and how it was affecting business and the economy, we immediately went to EXIM and said, hey, we won't be able to service the loans as we had planned, and here is why. But if you're patient with us, give us the time, we will get there, we'll make things up, and we'll make sure we get back on track with all the terms concerning our loans, which we did. But it required that we had to get that leverage and that time and that space from EXIM to do that. And there were challenges, but again, I think that the bank met with us and we spoke, and we were very frank, because the banks have to make money too. But we had to be clear to them that we need some time to get back on track, which they allowed us, and we're back on track.